What's up, guys? It's Hammy from Technolofria, and yes, it's true, I have joined Team Pixel officially with the 2017 Google Pixel 2 XL. I picked it up in the Panda color, which I was finally able to hunt down at a local Best Buy. It is the 128 gigabyte Verizon version, so let's get into this. So as a small disclaimer, I will say that this is the first vanilla Android or Google phone that I've owned since I owned the Nexus 6P, which was made by Huawei back in the day. I loved that phone, but just taking a look at the unboxing experience here, I've got to say this device has already blown my mind in terms of quality, and I'm super excited to give you guys a full review. I did take a while to actually get this device, as I did really want the black and white or Panda version, and now I finally got it, so let's get into it. Now, taking a deeper look inside the box, we have our paperwork followed by a USB-C to USB-A OTG adapter. This is so you can hook up any additional cables for your old phone to transfer data to your new Pixel. We then have the 3.5mm headphone jack to USB-C adapter. These are now $10 via the Google Store thanks to Apple's competitive pricing. Following that, we have the USB-C cable. It is USB-C on both ends. This will enable the fast charge capability that comes out of the box. Thank you, Google. Apple, please take note. I believe it's 27 watts, so it should give you a bunch of power in a short amount of time. For better or worse, there are no included earbuds in the box, but I can easily look past that once I actually take a look at this device, because holy cow does it look good. I love the orange power button, it's a great accent, and I really hope more phones do that in the future. I also love how the white cascades over the sides on the back and goes to the front. Then we have that piano black visor up top. It very much reminds me of a stormtrooper. I've got to say, the look is just super classy. And this is coming from a guy who's been using the iPhone 10 since launch day. While this is a much bigger device, and that's probably going to be my biggest gripe from my initial hands-on, it is a well-made device, and I've got to say, I really wish my iPhone had an ambient display mode, as it's a great use for the OLED screen. Now moving on to the back, let's take a look at that camera. This is probably the most hyped feature of the Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. I will be putting it directly against the iPhone 10 in future tests, so stay tuned for that. But don't worry, I will actually be making a dedicated review video for this device, as well as one for my iPhone 10, so stay tuned for those. If you want to be the first to catch them, go ahead and subscribe, hit the button down below, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. That's going to be all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your host, Hammy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.